Maracaibo, Venezuela's vibrant lake city, offers a diverse range of accommodations from upscale lakeside resorts to boutique gyms and practical mid-range stays. Whether you are visiting for business, leisure, or to explore the shore of Lake Maracaibo, this list will help you discover the best places to rest in comfort and style. The first one is Intercontinental Maracaibo. Located along Avenida El Milagro, right at La Verade del Lago waterfront, this top-tier hotel features spacious modern rooms with lake view, a spa, fitness center, and several in-house restaurants. Its central location makes it perfect for upscale travelers exploring the lakeside promenade. Rates typically range from $300 to $350 per night, offering premium comfort in the heart of the city. The second one is Tibisay Hotel del Lago. Nested near the shore west of downtown Maracaibo, this refined boutique hotel features elegant decor, tropical gardens, and a clean outdoor pool. Despite its luxury feel, its pricing remains surprisingly approachable, with nightly rates around $45 to $60. It is especially favored by those wanting quiet comfort near the waterfront. The third one is Hotel Christophe. Situated on Avenida Santa Rita, just minutes from downtown and Port Nightlife Sports, Hotel Christophe offers around 300 rooms and suites. Guests enjoy amenities such as rooftop pool, complimentary breakfast, and indigenous theme meeting salons. Ideal for business and leisure travelers alike, rates typically range from $85 to $95 per night. The fourth one is Hotel El Paseo. Located around 4 miles southwest of the main city center on Avenida Cotoriro, this hotel features well-appointed rooms, attentive service, and airport shuttle options. Loved for its cleanliness and value, rates generally fall between $85 and $95 per night, making it a reliable mid-range choice for tourists. The fifth one is Hotel Maracaibo Cumberland. Just over 2 miles from the center, this practical hotel offers simple yet clean rooms with free Wi-Fi and parking. Its quiet neighborhood and dependable service make it ideal for budget travelers or overnight stays. Rates typically range from $50 to $60 per night, offering solid value for short visits. The next one is Grain Hotel Delicious. Located roughly 3 miles from downtown, this modest hotel offers tidy rooms and basic amenities. It's appreciable for its affordable pricing around $55 to $65 per night and straightforward convenience near major roads and local neighborhoods. The next one is Altitude Loft Hotel, a trendy boutique option located about 4 miles from center Maracaibo. Altitude Loft features modern interior, a rooftop terrace, and fitness options. Favored by younger and creative travelers, the nightly rate is generally $60 to $70, offering stylish comfort at mid-range pricing. The next one is Maruma Hotel and Casino. Located just outside the city center, this upscale destination features casino, gaming, poolside dining, and wellness facilities. Popular for both leisure guests and business travelers, its rate typically range from $130 to $150 per night, blending resort-style amenities close to urban areas. The second last is Hotel America. Situated near Maracaibo's main avenues and shopping districts, Hotel America provides clean mid-range rooms with Wi-Fi and parking included. A convenient option for families and tourists. Rates usually fall around $60 to $75 per night, offering functional comfort centrally. The last one is Veneto del Lago. Slightly removed from downtown beside lakeside parks, this hotel offers spacious rooms, garden spaces, and peaceful views of the Lake Maracaibo. Ideal for guests seeking calm and greenery, Nightly rates generally range from $95 to $120, balancing tranquility and accessibility. Here are some tips for Maracaibo hotels. For scenic lake views and central access, consider Intercontinental, Tibisay, or Venetur del Lago. For solid mid-range comfort, Christophe, El Paseo, or Cumberland offer excellent value. Travelers looking for nightlife or resort-style amenities should look into Maruma Hotel and Casino. Whether you are enjoying the iconic lakeside walk, visiting local cultural landmarks, or on a business trip, Maracaibo offers hotel options to fit every traveler. From high-end lakefront resorts to well-located mid-range stays and boutique comfort, this city has something for each style and budget.